Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets, and today we are the 19th of May 2025, currently 9 a.m. And I am going to show you guys my Nasdaq pre-market analysis over here. So let's get into it. Let's do it nice and fast, like that. We don't spend too much time over here. So over here we closed the new week opening gap in the PM session. After that, we turned around, we broke structure here, continued trading lower, and continued in the same direction during London. London went even lower till 5 o'clock, all the way to the end of their session. So I wanted to show you guys a little, market structure exercise that I did. So over here we had broken structure, and over here you would think that we'd start continuing above these highs because we're breaking the current market structure within this leg. Possibly we're taking internal range liquidity and maybe making our way back to external range liquidity, but we weren't. We're actually bouncing off of this breaker and continuing lower. So over here, let me show you guys this leg. So this leg, this is the first candle with a close below this low, right? So then we start again. Boom, lower close, lower open, bodies below this low, boom, no new high. Bodies below this low, boom, no new high. Continue lower. Over here, we shoot off this fair value gap, make our way lower. After that, we bounce. We get into this 4-hour discount array, a bullish fair value gap, and we start changing structure. So over here, we have bodies closing above these highs. Then we have higher lows, closing in a tiny dipping into a tiny bullish fair value gap and making new highs. So my lows, I use swing lows as high as the lows. So it's a 3 candle formation where the middle one has to be, the low has to be, or the high has to be higher than the left and the right, like this. Like in this scenario right here. Oops. Like in this scenario right here, this candle's high is higher than the one on the left and on the right. After that, we go down. We clearly break market structure over here after creating new highs. Broke the market structure. Use this fair value gap that's just above the breaker right here, combined with the bearish fair value gap, and made our way lower. After that, we were still trading within this leg, right? Because we just passed the highs of the highs that created the new low that dipped into this bullish 4-hour fair value gap. Over here, there was a fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap, which was probably at the 70% mark of this leg. I used it as a spot of support and started making its way back up. Once we broke this high over here, we started to become bullish again. And the first entry would have been right here at this fair value gap, and you see this candle go right in. Made new highs. After that, we had a sweep low and a sweep high, and relative equals lows left over here on the bottom side, no relative equal highs left on the top side. We use this fair value gap to come and get those relative equal lows. Came back down, but we were still within this price leg, right? This full price leg. Because this is the low of the structure, low and high. But this is internal range liquidity, and these are external range liquidity. So the highs and lows. So we're working within the range of this new high leg. Stopped at this fair value gap over here to the T, right at the consequent encroachment, and made our way a little bit higher for new highs. Came back down, didn't pass, didn't break the market structure. It made new highs, respected it, and started building back above this swing high over here. So we started building above right over here. We could enter again at this fair value gap right here, direction, new highs, and use this low. So that's pretty much it for this morning's market structure. We're still within this leg over here. So break below this low. Then we're going to start become bullish again. Bearish, sorry. And a break above this high over here, we're going to start become bullish. So let me put that liquidity buy side over here. We're going to use this buy side. But we will also put one right here, buy side. And this is going to be the sell side. So this is major sell side, major buy side, and this is minor buy side, and let's go put that minor sell side. Because we're currently within this leg that made a new high, still trading within its price range. This is going to be the low that we're going to have to break and close below in order to make our way lower. Sell side. That's it for today. This morning's pre-market analysis on the Nasdaq. I hope you guys enjoyed, and catch you on the live at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Peace, traders.